Okay, I just wanted to walk you through this in case you were struggling with it. I know every parent and every student has different levels of technology strengths. And so if my name is Lexi Grow, but if I were a student, I would do the first four of my last name, Grow, first three of my first name, Lex, and then the year that I am graduating, 2025, which means I think most of these kids were born the year I graduated. That's a separate story. And then the student ID, which if you don't have it, is found in Skyward. Now, all of you can sign on to Skyward because you had to register your kiddo, so you should be able to find their student ID there in case they have forgotten it. But the student ID that you would insert for your password is 018923. And it would be capitalized ISD. That is what it would look like. So if you were a student, you would sign on. And here is a dashboard. Obviously, this is a teacher dashboard. I don't have access to a student dashboard to give you some direction, but they'll find their teacher. And then here, Common Core Math 7, that's where they would go for math class. And if I were in student view, when the student signs on, this is what they should see. And they won't need to go anywhere here on the first day of school because I've attached the Zoom link in the email. Say they don't have the email, they can go here to the announcements. That's where my Zoom link will be. They can also go into Teams. I also plan to post mine there. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that you all have a great first day of school.